What's good? I'm Kasim. It's Just Sneakers, back with another review. And today we got the HAL Studios Asics Gel-1130 Glacier. Now, HAL Studios is an Australian boutique. This here is their third collaboration with Asics and the final in the trilogy. The first pair, which is a gray, white, and brown pair, is the pair that I really wanted that put me onto these. I missed out on those. The second pair, I had a chance to cop those. I kind of let those pass just because the colorway, it was nothing in my arena for those. And then we got these here, which is the third and final. I purchased these at HAL Studios, and to be transparent, this isn't even my size. I wear a size 9. Unfortunately, they were sold out as soon as I got on the site, and I ended up picking a size 13 for my mans who really wanted a pair. So I copped them a pair. They took a while to get here. They took probably 2.5 weeks or something like that. They delivered, and before he come pick these joints up, I figured I might as well review them. Okay, first we can start with the box. You got this cream colored box here. Like I said, these are a size 13. Only accessories is the extra shoelace, and it's these red rope laces. First, we can start with a full look at the shoe and, just discuss some of the materials. The thing that pops out the most is this hairy suede, and that's in this like cream sail color. We have some white mesh, and it's double layered mesh, and that's kind of like going throughout. And then we got hits of leather, which look to be premium. We got leather in black and white. It all comes together nice. So we can start at the toe. And at the toe, you just get a look of the front with the heavy suede, and we get a peek of the outsole coming up, and that's in gray. Now let's move over to the toe box. We got a mix of materials here. On the toe box itself, we have white mesh, double layered, plain white. Of course, we got the hairy suede in the front, and you should be able to see the contrast in color, with the toe box being actual white and this being more of like a sail. Then towards the tongue, we got this black leather surrounded by this white leather. And on the sides, we have hits of this black leather. Move up towards the tongue. The tongue is more of that mesh material, the double layered mesh material, that's white. The eyelets are a mixture of black and white leather. The leather, as far as the quality, it's tumbled premium. We have a pair of tail flat shoelaces. They include another pair of shoelaces, a pair of red rope laces. At the top of the tongue, we have the Asics logo. We have a white sock liner. And the insole is ice blue and has Asics and the HAL Studios branding. Move over to the side of the shoe. We have the Asics logo, which is in that hairy suede. Then we have a white leather strip going across the hits of the black leather in the front, some of the black leather in the back. As far as the quality, like I said, the suede is very good quality. Both the white and the black leather is tumbled, and it looks to be of, very decent quality. Same thing with the mesh. Take a look at the midsole. The midsole is white, and we just have some of this gray, but more, it's kind of like a translucent light gray. And we got the same thing on the back of the midsole. Now let's move towards the back. We got white leather and black leather in this diagonal pattern. We have this plastic tab here. Move over to the inside of the shoe. It's pretty much like the outside of the shoe, minus the white leather strip going across the whole shoe. And now to get a look at the outsole, white, gray sail. So yeah, man, there you have it. HAL Studios Asics Gel-1130. Now as far as sizing goes, I'm gonna suggest a true to size, but bear in mind, this is only really a guesstimate, and from what I've seen from reviews and from other pairs and whatnot, but from what I hear and what I've read, it's best to go true to size. As far as comfort, same deal. I haven't worn them, so I can't give you that, but they seem to be really comfortable, and yeah, this is a real breathable, light shoe. And this is a size 13 right here, so it's a big shoe, and this is even light. Now for my thoughts on these, I'm rocking with them, I'm digging them, I'm not even gonna lie. First got on my radar with the first pair. Those are the best pair in my opinion. I just love the way they mix the colors. Then the second pair came out. I was a little looking forward to it, but when they actually dropped and I had a chance to cop them, I was like, I kind of fell back. I wasn't really digging them. And that's more so just because the colors. When I saw these, I was like, I'm gonna go for them. Cause you know, it's black and white, and like, can you really have enough pair of black and white kicks? I will say I'm definitely impressed by what I see in person with these. The quality is definitely there. Like, if you're on the fence, I think you're gonna be happy with your purchase, I'll say that. So I couldn't give you an on-feet look, but you know, there's other reviews out there you could check, I'm sure. You know, go look at some pics on Instagram or whatever. I wanna know what y'all think about these. Did y'all cop? Did you catch an L? Do you own any of the previous pairs? Are you looking to go back and cop any of the previous pairs? Do you think these are trash? Or do you think Asics in general are just overhyped? They're starting to get overhyped now, but you know, to me, honestly, personally, I'm a person who wears all brands, and I've always wore all brands since I was young. You know, I think it's good. I think competition is good. I'm not a fan of monopolies, and I'm not a fan of companies and businesses that run an industry. So it's good that Nike has competition and there's a whole bunch of brands popping at the same time. I think that's a good thing overall. There you have it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. It's just sneakers. Peace.